gikonyore. Nasema hivi, kwa mara ya kwanza kwa wiki imepita, President Ruto ameweka sahihi katika Sovereign Wealth Fund. Sasa ni act, so that we can better plan for the resources that we have, the natural resources that we have in this country. That out of those resources, we must set aside a given percentage to look into the welfare of those generations that will come after us. And for the people of Siaya, the people of Game and Kenya, we have an opportunity to attract private investment, because government can only do so much. And as we attract those private investment, we must make sure that the resources and the money that we get out of those resources makes a difference in the lives of our people. And that is why, with the assent to the Sovereign Wealth Fund Act, this has been made a reality. Before, we were exploiting our resources, but we could not account for those resources in the manner that we are going to do going forward under the leadership of President Ruto.